Say hi. I love you. Most famous place in Manipur called Sekmai. Boom.
I've been working hard every day, living dreams for a pay stub. Yeah, straight
This is the first time I'm telling you. Please like, share and subscribe because he's new. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to my mama house and meet my brother Jivan Bister. And he is my mama's nati. And she is my mom. And this is my cute daughter, my bhatiji. Okay, we are going now. Okay, say hi. Hi, Bana. Mommy, hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, hi, Bana.
Hi, Bana. Hi, Bana. Hi, Bana. Nani.
Hi.
Hi, Bana. Hi,
Say
Bana.
hi.
Hi.
I love you.
I will.
I love you too. Okay.
Okay, Bana.
from the nation, made a foundation, true stuff, yeah, too tough. We ain't giving up on our dreams, everything is ahead of us. Stay true to your path, it's not where you start, it's all where you're at. It's where you end up when your back's to the mat. Do you cripple the flat or get up off your back? Deliver these facts to see them react. The stadium's packed, they all gonna snap. The motivated attract, the escalated attack. The frustrated hit back, yeah, we move fast. I wanna change everything, I swear I'll do anything just to get where I wanna be. I won't stop till I'm free. I won't stop till I'm free. I won't stop. I won't let go.
Mama lagi piano, Bana.
And I won't let go. I won't stop. I won't let go. I won't drop. And I won't let go. It's automatic. I'm always getting after it. If you ain't working, I don't understand what's happening. It's not enough time just to be imagining. You gotta take some action towards practicing. I know it's not easy, but you gotta get out there. Make your own meaning, can't afford to have gas. They'll interrupt dreaming, I just wanna lose go.
Foggy. Now in Delhi the temperature might be around 42, 43, but out here we have just 27, 28 degrees Celsius. So see the vibe, see in the front, it's too foggy still. And we are going to Kalatumbi. That's a very wonderful place. And the cameraman behind, it's my brother Jivan Bister. Show me your face, bro. Pukri. This is the Manti Pukri. Mommy, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Say I love you.
I love you too. I love you too.
Ditya.
Hi, Bana.
Kaka hi. Hi Kaka hi Bana.
How are you, Kaku, Vana?
I love you Kaka Bana.
Okay. It's raining out here now. I guess the temperature will go more down. It will reach around 20 to 21 degrees Celsius. In Delhi, when the temperature was around 46, 47, I got too many rashes. And now see, I'm chilling out here. It's raining. Actually, my brother, he don't know how to drive a car, so anyhow, this time I'm going to teach him how to drive a car, and that time I'll be vlogging. See, I got a disadvantage because last time I tried to teach him, but he nearly hit one car, so I frightened him. So because of that, he is totally scared. Today we are going to my mom's like maternal mama's house, and there we'll be having our lunch because they have invited us to lunch. There we are going to have lunch, and after that we will be. I'll show you the village. How is the village out there? We are going to go the deep interior village of Manipur. It's raining. Okay, see you guys. Yes, before in Manipur it was raining, but see just it's 500 meters ahead, and it's not raining out here. So this is the specialty about Manipur. You will find many different places with different kind of rainfall, humidities, all these things. It's about to rain out here, but it was already raining here.
I use them all to push me to my best.
For the national highway.
Treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find change your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while
This is one of the largest orchid farm in Manipur.
you're every doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Mommy, how are you? Are you fine? Not good. Do you love me, mommy? How much do you love me?
यति भन्नु
Construction work is going on, so that's why there is diversion here.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they
Take over cinematic shot.
think everyone's against me.
After
Something in the
4 to 5 years you will see a good road
of Manipur or National Highway 39.
construction is going on.
It is policy. This road is going to be this road will be reaching till Thailand. It will be going to the Laos side because of the Asian will be connected through this road. That's why they are expanding the road. So the main thing is that see both the sides they are expanding the road. It will become the super highway. So you can, if you want to travel to Thailand side, you have to go through this road. So the construction is going on. Soon you are going to see. That's it. My brother told it will be like it on the food road. These cows, everything pop up in between.
These cows pop up every in between, so this is really dangerous. So you can see it's a lovely place. You should visit. I hope many people belong from Manipur. My brother viewer are from Manipur, or some might be from Northeast, so they might know about the Manipur situation. It's good. It's still developing, but yeah, it's good. It's gonna be a good place future. There are good, lovely people over here. You can, if you are not from Manipur, you can come and visit Manipur. It's a nice place. Although my brother will be staying for not so long, but still we'll try to explore some places. Might be soon. Let's see. But he is in so busy, tight scheduled in his holiday. So there is a small water park over here. So guys, we are entering to our most famous place
In
of
Manipur?
Many people from Manipur will know about this place. This place is called Sekmai. So it's famous because I hope you know, because many it's local local wine which the people used to make and which is called Sekmai. So
Bro, it's in out here also. Before it rained in the Manipur and again in Koirangi it did not rain, and again out here it's raining. It rained out here also. So we can't predict. You can't predict the weather of Manipur. That's so unpredictable.
So guys, just let us know how do you like if you like the video, just do comment, and also let us know if you like the video.
Please
if
tell
you like
guys. Please tell me the favorite spot which you like in Manipur. Please do comment below. I want to know where you want to where you want me to visit there. I'll be obviously visiting. I have got out here.
you will see this kind of hill, some hills is there. Actually Manipur is not that hill station. It's surrounded by hill, and but it's in between, in center there is a valley.
I'll make you handy this time.
So
I this time, and don't worry, we are going to drive, and I'll be vlogging around.
so see I'll
a
so
high
if
opportunity.
next time whenever Robin visit, so I'll be going him to pick up at airport by driving a car.
This time we went through. You came by bike, so it was not. I didn't have a huge luggage, so that was okay. But next time, who knows? I may come with a huge luggage, so that time you need to come along with a car.
Yeah, that's what I think. So please
Like and subscribe and do share also. This is the first time I'm telling.
please like, share and subscribe because he is new, and he needs some support of yours. this is the road where we are going to visit. So there is a lovely university over there. It's not the name of the university, but the place is very beautiful, as you can see.
This is the roadways to university, tribal university. The higher we go, the more, like if you climb up more, temperature decreases more. It will reach in the top. It will reach around 13 to 14 degrees Celsius, and continuously it will be running there. See the welcome gate.
Still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm barely on the to the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you want. Better see the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy.
Say hi.
Even when you feel low, you
I
can
love
still
you.
go.